In this video, we explore the parallel between a newspaper factory and data management in a React application. Imagine a newspaper factory that receives breaking news, initiates the production of newspaper batches, and then prints and bundles these newspapers. Once the bundles are organized and verified by the manager, they are handed over to the delivery team. After the newspapers are delivered to subscribers, the factory pauses its operations until new news arrives. Similarly, in a React app, we start by fetching data from an API, analogous to receiving new news. Once the data is retrieved, we process and organize it just as the factory prints and organizes the newspapers. The application then updates its state to reflect the new information, similar to how the manager verifies and organizes the bundles. Finally, the app stops operations until new data is fetched, mirroring how the factory pauses until new news is available. This analogy helps illustrate how the useEffect hook and state management work in React, reflecting the factory's workflow of processing, updating, and pausing.